To make this opening more multimodal, so I think I should not only speak, but I need to add one more modality for us to basically imagine the multimodal AI, right? So one of the reasons we come to this research field is really because we can imagine stuff and also realize them, right? So therefore, I think I will end my opening with different modality of presentation, which is a song, right? So I think you can guess who helped me to write this song, right? So I try to sing it, right? So, okay, deep breath. Imagine there's no silos. It's easy if you try. You can sing along. No data stuck alone in AI's boundless sky. Imagine all the people sharing data today. Imagine no ethical concerns. I wonder if you can. Healthcare never finance and more. A unity of humankind. Imagine all the people shaping AI's plan. You may think I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Today we are all here together, and the world will be AI's one. All right.